Don't get messy. Come here, bud. Come here.
She was backing away.
Come here. They're not going to have a clue here. Oh, no problem. Where's her?
It's going to be messy.
Oh,
she
yeah.
caught on.
Oh, goodness sakes. Oh, over here, honey. It's on your nose. Boy, he's catching right on. Your first taste of real food. You got it all over yourself. Come here. Here go. Here go. Oh, that's good stuff.
You probably eat it off the plate. You gotta get on the plate. Your brother's gonna eat all the food.
Goodness. Goodness. She goes, I smell it. I taste it. It's on my face. Where'd it go? Hey, don't. Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, that's good stuff. In the dish. It's in the dish. Oh, 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 don't climb in. It's funny, I thought she'd be more on it than him. Don't step in it. There it is. Oh, it's so good. Oh,
oh, sneeze.
Bring her closer. There. It's right there. She doesn't quite get the concept of...
You gotta clean that spoon right off.